So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Sai Nisarg Skylux, which is located near Udyog Nagar, Chinchwad, Pune and developed by Sai Nisarg Landmarks. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल, Sai Nisarg Skylux will be constructed on 3.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 2 podium plus 26 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the location of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और मेरे इन फ्रंट ही देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल विच इज़ इन प्रोसेस. उसी के सामने आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा प्रोजेक्ट का एंट्रेंस. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द project is just located near Chinchwad Station Road, Udyog Nagar, Chinchwad, Pune. So as you can see, I am here at the entrance of the project. और जो मेरे इन फ्रंट रोड है ये है चिंचवड स्टेशन रोड, और जो राइट हैंड साइड में रोड जाते हुए आपको दिख रही है ये डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है आकोड़ी रोड से, और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रोड दिख रही है आपको ये डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है चिंचवड रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है चिंचवड जंक्शन विद इन 450 मीटर्स, Old Mumbai Road within 1.6 km and also D-Mart within 3 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project, with the help of 3D model, project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like multipurpose hall, clubhouse, gymnasium, indoor games, kids play area, senior scout area, swimming pool and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Sai Nisarg Skylux has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 700 to 915 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1182 to 1411 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1482 to 1715 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Sai Nisarg Skylux, which is located near उद्योग नगर चिंचवड पुणे एंड डेवलप्ड बाय साई निसर्ग लैंडमार्क्स. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.